What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a digital currency that can be used to buy goods and services, but uses an online ledger with strong cryptography to secure online transactions. Much of the interest in these unregulated currencies is to trade for profit, with speculators at times driving prices skyward. The most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has had volatile price moves this year, reaching nearly $65,000 in April before losing nearly half its value in May. By mid-October, the price had risen rapidly again. It hit an all-time high above $66,000 before falling back. Welcome back to another episode of Cryptopia. Cryptopia is your #1 channel for all of your crypto and NFTs needs. From the next hot altcoin that's going to explode, to helpful business guides surrounding finance and investing, we have it all. Make sure to subscribe to the channel now so you never get left behind with any of our breaking news or unmissable content. Trust us, you'll kick yourself if you don't. In this video we will be looking at everything you need to know about what cryptocurrency is. 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Many companies have issued their own currencies, often called tokens, and these can be traded specifically for the good or service that the company provides. Think of them as you would arcade tokens or casino chips. You'll need to exchange real currency for the cryptocurrency to access the good or service. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. Part of the appeal of this technology is its security. 2. How many cryptocurrencies are there? What are they worth? Nearly 15,000 different cryptocurrencies are traded publicly, according to CoinMarketCap.com, a market research website. And cryptocurrencies continue to proliferate. The total value of all cryptocurrencies on November 29, 2021, was more than $2.5 trillion, having fallen off an all-time high above $2.9 trillion weeks earlier. The total value of all bitcoins, the most popular digital currency, was pegged at about $1.1 trillion. 3. Why are cryptocurrencies so popular? Cryptocurrencies appeal to their supporters for a variety of reasons. Here are some of the most popular. Supporters see cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, as the currency of the future, and are racing to buy them now, presumably before they become more valuable. Some supporters like the fact that cryptocurrency removes central banks from managing the money supply, since over time these banks tend to reduce the value of money via inflation. Other supporters like the technology behind cryptocurrencies, the blockchain, because it's a decentralized processing and recording system, and can be more secure than traditional payment systems. Some speculators like cryptocurrencies, because they're going up in value, and have no interest in the currency's long-term acceptance as a way to move money. 4. Are cryptocurrencies a good investment? Cryptocurrencies may go up in value, but many investors see them as mere speculations, not real investments. The reason? Just like real currencies, cryptocurrencies generate no cash flow, so for you to profit, someone has to pay more for the currency than you did. That's what's called the greater fool theory of investment. Contrast that to a well-managed business, which increases its value over time by growing the profitability and cash flow of the operation. For those who see cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, as the currency of the future, it should be noted that a currency needs stability. Some notable voices in the investment community have advised would-be investors to steer clear of them. Of particular note, legendary investor Warren Buffett compared Bitcoin to paper checks. It's a very effective way of transmitting money, and you can do it anonymously, and all that. A check is a way of transmitting money too. Are checks worth a whole lot of money? Just because they can transmit money? For those who see cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, as the currency of the future, it should be noted that a currency needs stability, so that merchants and consumers can determine what a fair price is for goods. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have been anything but stable through much of their history. For example, while Bitcoin traded at close to $20,000 in December 2017, its value then dropped to as low as about $3,200 a year later. By December 2020, it was trading at record levels again. This price volatility creates a conundrum. If Bitcoins might be worth a lot more in the future, people are less likely to spend and circulate them today, making them less viable as a currency. Why spend a Bitcoin when it could be worth 3 times the value next year? 5. How do I buy cryptocurrency? While some cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, are available for purchase with US dollars, others require that you pay with Bitcoins or another cryptocurrency. To buy cryptocurrencies, you'll need a wallet, an online app that can hold your currency. Generally, you create an account on an exchange, and then you can transfer real money to buy cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. And with that, we've reached the end of this video about what cryptocurrency is. If you know anything we haven't mentioned, get involved, and let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting, remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also, subscribe to Cryptopia and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.